Hello, this is an overview and installation guide for the wearable technologies for high BMI project. So this face here is what it would look like on the smartwatch. When you first open the app, it will automatically prompt you to sign in with your Google account. But if that doesn't work, then the button will be available and you can try again. So how it works is very simple. You would click on the settings button, and it would take you to this face, and there would be for the different sensors on and off setting. You can choose whichever one you would like to gather data from. Then you go back and you simply press start and stop to start the data gathering, and then when you stop, it'll automatically save the file and upload it to the Google Accounts drive. So as for the installation of the app, you would install it simply by connecting the device to your Android Studio and using the debug function. But it's important to note that you have to authenticate your Google sign-in so it'll work properly. So the way you would do that is that you have your project open, and you open this Gradle pane here on the right. You navigate down, App, Tasks, Android, and then Signing Report. Double click on the signing report. And you have to take note of this SHA1 signing certificate here. So you can just copy and paste it, and you need to go to this website here, the developers.google.com/identity/signin/android/start integrating, and you scroll down to this button here, configure project. You can click on it, and you can create a new project or just pick whichever, if you already have it created, and you're calling it from an Android device, and then you put in the package name, which is com.example.measureppg, as you can see here in the Android Studio. And then you paste in the certificate and press create. That's it. You're ready to install it, and it should work.